develop too.
Yeah.
Looks like it will run fast.
Yeah, it's nice. I actually really like this one. I really like this one. Get some space. I saw it on the internet, and then I messaged the guy, and then he messaged me right back. So like, I believe it was like a Saturday I messaged him, and then I flew out on Tuesday, and then I drove it home and got home Wednesday. No. I just have to, what do you call it? Like how this one is with these red straps in the back, I have to put it on that side too. So yeah, the thing was supposed to come in the mail yesterday, but it didn't come. So hopefully it's here today so I can put it in. I hope so.
You hope so? No, well, you have to drive it too fast, man.
Right?
Drive it too fast, man. Take your time.
Yeah, I hope to take this one to the racetrack sometime soon. I have a couple more things to put on it, and then.
What size engine in here?
3.2 liter, so it's a 6-cylinder. Right? All it needs is some wings. That's it.
Madam Street. A few years we're gonna come around here, you know.
Alright. But we're here this time.
Yeah. So.
Good. Tia Maria and them are here as well.
Yeah. This Maria and them is here.
Yep.